Hello everyone, welcome back on the channel. This video is a series video in our GFR series, and today we will learn about the Rule 150 of GFR 2017. The Rule 150 of GFR is relating to the registration of suppliers. When the goods and services which are not available on the GEM portal, Ministry or Department, they can register supplier for the items which are periodically and specifically required goods and services for their use. So it is only in cases when the goods or service is not available on GEM. And while doing registration, they should adopt a fair, transparent and reasonable procedure, and adequate publicity they should also give. It should not happen that fair and transparent chances are not given to any supplier without inadequate publicity. So it should be done with a fair way. Registered suppliers should be boarded on GEM also when the goods or services listed on GEM. It is also provision that when the goods and services become available on the GEM portal, such registered suppliers should be tried to be boarded on GEM, because it is not in your hand, it is in the hand of suppliers. So you should encourage them to be board on the GEM portal. The credentials, manufacturing capability, quality control systems, past performance, after sales services, financial background, etc. of the registered supplier should be carefully verified while registering. The registration period is generally 1 to 3 years, and after that, if any supplier want to be on the registered panel, they should apply as a fresh. It should not be continued beyond that. They should apply as a fresh. And the new supplier can be registered at any time if during the any time of the registration period the new suppliers comes, so the procuring entity may review and register them. It should not be that they will do registration after 3 years or it is registration is over. Performance of the supplier should be continuously monitored, and if any supplier who is on registered role fail to abide by the terms and conditions of the organization, or supply of the goods, or supply substandard good, or breach any contract in any way as per the code of integrity which is not in public interest, so deregistration of that particular supply can be there, and the registered supplier sheet list should be available on the website of the particular department or ministry for the information of the general public.